future nurses, welcome back to Simple Nursing. Today we're tackling something you'll touch every single shift of your career, the EHR, or Electronic Health Record. And here's the thing, most nursing programs barely cover how to use it the right way. Then you hit clinicals and boom, you're staring at a screen wondering what to click first. So let's fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what an EHR is, why your documentation can literally make or break patient care, and the high-yield best practices that keep you safe, legal, and looking like a pro. Let's get into it. First up, what actually is an EHR? An electronic health record is the digital chart for your patient. Think of it as your patient's entire story living in one place. Their history, medications, lab values, vitals, allergies, care plans, and every note the whole healthcare team writes. Back in the day, all of this lived in giant paper binders. Now it's all electronic, which means it's faster, more legible, and shared across the whole team in real time. That's a win for everyone. Quick memory trick. Think of the EHR as the patient's digital diary. Everything that happens to them gets written down, and anyone on the care team can read that story to keep care consistent. Now, why should you care about charting the right way? Say it with me, future nurse. If it's not documented, it's not done. That's the golden rule. Your documentation is the legal record of the care you gave. If you assessed your patient, gave a med, or caught a change in their condition, but you didn't chart it, in the eyes of the law and your facility, it never happened. Good documentation does three big things: protects your patient by keeping the whole team on the same page, protects your license if anything ever gets questioned, drives better care by tracking trends like a slowly dropping blood pressure. This isn't busy work, it's patient safety. Plain and simple. All right, here's the high-yield stuff. Let's break down the must-know EHR best practices. 1. Chart in real-time. Document as close to the event as possible. Don't wait until the end of your shift to chart from memory, because memory fades and details get lost. Timely charting keeps your record accurate and your timeline clean. 2. Skip the copy-paste trap. Copy-paste feels like a shortcut, but it's a setup for disaster. If you copy yesterday's assessment forward, you might chart that a wound is healing when it actually got worse. Every entry should reflect what's true right now. Fresh eyes, fresh notes. 3. Log in, log out. Every time your login is your signature. Whatever happens under your account is on you. So never share your password and always log out before you walk away. Leave yourself logged in, and someone else could chart under your name. No thank you. 4. Know your co-signatures. Some actions, like a student nurse's entries or certain high-risk meds, need a co-signature from a supervising nurse. Co-signing means you're verifying that action was correct, so never co-sign something you didn't actually witness or check. 5. Correct errors the right way. Made a mistake? Don't delete it and don't scribble it out. In an EHR, you create a correction or addendum that shows the original entry, the fix, and the time you made it. The record should always tell the honest, complete story. 6. Protect privacy and stay HIPAA compliant. This one's huge. Only access charts for patients in your care. Pulling up a record out of curiosity, even a celebrity or a friend, is a HIPAA violation that can cost you your job and your license. When in doubt, stay out. Let's make these stick. Remember the word chart. C. Correct errors properly. H. HIPAA always. A. Accurate and in real time. R. Restrict access to your own login. T. Timely entries, no copy-paste. 5 letters, 5 lifesavers. Now let's bring it to the floor. Double-check before you sign. Right patient, right entry, right time. A 2-second check beats a charting error. Chart objectively. Write what you see and measure, not your opinions. Patient-stated pain is 8 out of 10, beats patient seems dramatic. Never chart ahead. Don't document a med as given before you actually give it. If something interrupts you, that chart is now wrong and unsafe. Use approved abbreviations only. Random shorthand creates confusion, and confusion creates medication errors. Master these, and you won't just survive clinicals, you'll stand out as the nurse who charts like a seasoned pro. And that's a wrap on EHR best practices made simple. Quick recap. The EHR is your patient's digital story. Chart accurately, chart on time, protect your login, fix errors the right way, and guard that privacy like a hawk. Remember the word chart, and you're golden. If this helped it finally click, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with a classmate who needs it. And when you're ready to master nursing concepts and pass your exams with confidence, head over to simplenursing.com for video lessons, quizzes, and study guides that actually stick. You've got this, future nurse. I'll see you in the next one.